Alright, so I'm excited about showing off some code that I wrote. I use the internal PWM of the PIC processor to generate a PWM signal that goes to the motor to power the motor. That's one change I made, and then another one, I show the RPM of the motor in the PWM menu right here. So you can see the motor's not running, so it's all zero. And so we'll exit here. We'll go to the I/O menu, and we'll turn on the motor right here. And the motor's on. And then we'll exit here. And then back to the PWM. And there's our RPM of our motor right there. And it's being updated every second. Every time this LED over here flashes, this is getting updated every second. This LED over here, every time it flashes, the screen gets scanned for a touch push. So it's what it's doing. The processor is sending out a PWM signal to the motor, and the motor is sending back the Tach pulse that I showed on my last video. And timer 0 in the processor counts every time there's a pulse from the motor Tach, and so it continually counts upward. And then when 1 second elapses, triggered by timer 1, then it calculates how many pulses from the motor has occurred in 1 second. And then we move on.